Welcome to this video on electric circuits and symbols. We'll explore their structure, physical properties, and common symbols. Electricity is the flow of tiny, negatively charged particles called electrons. These electrons move through a conductive material, such as a metal wire. An electric circuit is a complete path through which electric current flows. Think of a circuit as a road, and the electric current as the cars moving along it. For electricity to move, a circuit needs a source of energy, like a battery, and a conducting path, which is the wire. The battery provides the electrical energy to push, like an electron pump. The wires serve as conductive highways for the electrons. In an open circuit, the electrical pathway is incomplete, and electricity cannot flow. A closed circuit is a continuous, unbroken loop, allowing electricity to flow freely. Next, we will look at some common electrical components and their corresponding symbols used in circuit diagrams. A cell provides electrical energy by pushing electric charges around a circuit. The symbol has a long line for the positive terminal and a short line for the negative terminal. A battery is two or more cells connected together. We use batteries when a device needs more energy than a single cell can provide. A bulb converts electrical energy into light energy, helping us see in the dark. Current passing through the filament makes it hot, producing light. A switch allows us to start or stop the flow of current. The circuit symbol for a switch shows it either open or off, or closed or on. Resistors reduce the flow of current to prevent damage from too much electricity. They act as a traffic controller to make the circuit safe. Unlike a resistor, a rheostat allows resistance to be adjusted. This means we can increase or decrease current flow, controlling electrical devices like fans and light dimmers. The ammeter measures electric current in amperes, or A. The symbol is a circle with a capital A inside. The voltmeter measures voltage, which is the electrical push that moves charges. Voltage is measured in volts, and the symbol is a circle with a capital V inside. A fuse protects the circuit. If current becomes too high, the fuse melts and breaks the circuit, preventing damage. A diode is an electronic component that allows electric current to flow in only one direction, protecting circuits from reverse current damage. An LED, or light-emitting diode, is an electronic component that produces light when current flows through it. They are highly efficient and use very little energy. A capacitor stores electrical charge temporarily and releases it when needed. It acts like a small rechargeable storage device, stabilizing the flow of current. Here is a circuit diagram for Quiz 1. Identify the components labeled A, B, C, and D. The answers for Quiz 1 are: A is a voltmeter, B is a resistor, C is a capacitor, and D is a battery. Time for Quiz 2. Match the following components with their correct symbols. Here are the answers for Quiz 2. Check your matches to see if you got them right. For Quiz 3, which component reduces the flow of current? The correct answer for Quiz 3 is the resistor. It reduces the flow of current to protect the circuit. For Quiz 4, which component protects the circuit? If current becomes too high, it melts and breaks the circuit. The answer to Quiz 4 is the fuse. It protects the circuit from damage due to excessive current. Thank you for learning with Acestudents. Don't forget to check out our playlist for more revision resources.